Isuweng pa sa kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko naram chaksoa, anga Alicia A. Sangma na asimang na daling kuburang ko para katinga. Katabi chongrang, NESO Tura Unit Asong ni Sakyo Nani ko dakanga. Student Dogamag Adok Sorkari ko ILP CAA ni Gumano Fisher CAA. UDP Dita Member sa kani ko rum chaksoa. Nehu Authority Casual Worker Dabya ko jegala. Chugumagpa kuburang Northeast Students Association NESO asonge sakyo nani ko yajani chisni thari ko tura o ngataha wamang CAA ko jegalangaha RILP ko Northeastern jolgamuk ko raga china dabyangaha media rang agan grakmatungo ongje dake naptra gapa mandirang ni bidingo sorkari mandirang na donkamna gapa cholko na nanggen ni NESO ni Assistant General Secretary mansing sangma aganangaha Northeast and India asong gemuk ko namin yani ko mani gija gapa ngai ginok ni bawa agan ko aha Adok ni sorkari ko ILP ko adok ko raga China RCAA ko jechak ke Khasi Student Union KSU Northeast Students Organization NESO meng nangre me ya jani chisni thari ko asong ni sakyo nani ko Shillong ni Civil Hospital se phango ngatangaha Adita NGO rang ba wamang meng bakrum phaha jekai FKJGP HNYF HITO RBYF asong ni sakyo nani ko apsan salo Northeast ni dengthang adok rango NESO aro NGO rang ngataha
CA! We are boss! CA! We are boss! CA! We are boss! CA! We are boss! CA! Don't be no rest! 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 Don't be no rest!
United Democratic Party UDP ketan member sa kani Shri Wilbert Rani aro Shri Monarch Shabong Jen Khasi Janera urapang ni nukuponga wamang ya party o bimeng ko siya Chonna thokmani ko Shri Balajit Sinram Jen Shela constituency ni MLA nga wani nuko dakanga Shri Medpa Lingdo Jen party ni president nga waya member sa kani ni rumchaksawa ni ko dakanga Ye thokmani dongphak pa mandirang General Secretary Jamino Mautho sakani MLA Balajit Sinram aro Shri Eugene Sin Lingdo aro MDC ni mandirang Shri Titus Chin CEM Paul Lingdo Tanwal Dakar aro Shri Michelle Wankar nga wamang nami bakur angha Nehuni Vice Chancellor Yajani Chisni Thariko Casual Worker Rang Jen Jagni Batle Jingjengata ni kong atenga chem wamang ni dilgaparang kogronge University de wamang na gemuk na nanggani kono ne machutachok ani aganangaha wamang ko regularize ka ani bidingo University o yako dakna buildongja aro asungi sorkari san yako dakna de buildongaya ani wamang na thali aganang taha
to help those job seekers who are really in need of some help. But we cannot go more than what we can do from the institution. I have been here for more than 34 years, and I learned that this practice has been continuing for a very, very long time. And our Vice Chancellor has said correctly, saying that this has been for so many years, and nobody attempted it. And now it has come to the point that he wants to see how to provide the welfare of these people. My request to them through the media and to all of us for the welfare of our people who are there, sometimes they spend a night, you cannot believe it. With the rain dripping there and getting wet, what happened in the family, nobody knows. How will they pay the house rent, nobody can imagine. If someone is sick, what will happen? All this has been considered and requested, how shall we solve this problem? To solve this problem will not solve just by standing there and carrying flag and shouting, no.
Yan daal na kuburang ni swing pa sa kanti kon metela